In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add these cool text stickers to WhatsApp, iMessage, and Telegram on both Android and iPhone. If you open your WhatsApp and start writing, for example, "That's awesome," you won't see those popular text stickers available. To enable these stickers, tap on the gear icon on your phone keyboard and find emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Scroll down and enable the stickers. Now, if you type the phrase again, you will see them enabled. But before finishing this review, I have a little request from you guys. Please like this video if you find it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe, and more importantly, hit the notification bell for more awesome content. That would mean a lot to me. If you don't have this option on your keyboard, you need to download Google Keyboard from Play Store or App Store for your Android device or iPhone.